happening now is it's actually getting your face and it's tracking you. Go ahead and try to blink, raise your eyebrows, and all that fun stuff. All based on one photo, by the way. That's all I had. We had a proposal today. As you can see, we're all invited to the wedding too. Why not?
I thought Max was amazing. Got so inspired.
I'm definitely coming back. Max is fantastic.
Max was amazing. It's my first year.
Absolutely, I'm gonna come back. I'm ready to book.